Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I'll be reading Let It Fall by Marianne Leffler. Let's get started. Today I'll be reading Let It Fall by Marianne Leffler. It is already fall and October, so I really want to read this book to you guys. Let it fall. It's autumn. Early mornings, crisp and cool, meet new friends back at school. Mounds of color, raked up high, jump right in and watch the sky. But then, chilly, windy, gusty breeze, rake the blowing leaves. Let it fall, apple picking, mountain air, our next stop, the county fair. Hay rides, contest, jumping fun, the winning pumpkin weighs a ton. But then, brother stroller, piled high, cold and tired, say goodbye. Let it fall, hiking, camping, what a view, trees of orange, sky of blue. Squirrels gather, foxes hide, black bears sleep, sparrows fly. But soon, cold and frosty, tall bare trees, toes and fingers feel the freeze. Hats to knit, scarves to make, waiting for our first snowflake. Winter is coming, let it snow. I hope you guys enjoyed Let It Fall by Marianne Leffler, and I'll see you guys next time on Reagan's Reading Corner. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.